In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a template to a page on Shopify. If you're looking to customize your Shopify store, assigning a template to a page can offer you more flexibility and personalization for your store's design and functionality. So, let's dive right into it and ensure that you have everything you need to make your Shopify store look exactly how you envision it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Shopify admin panel. This is your main hub where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're logged in, look for the Online Store option on the left-hand side of the menu. Click on that, and it will expand with a selection of options. From here, you'll select Themes. This is where you can preview your current theme and make various adjustments that pertain to the appearance of your online store. Next, you will see a button labeled Customize. Click on Customize to enter the theme editor. This is where the magic really happens, a place where you can tweak your store's look and feel without any coding skills required. At the top of the theme editor window, you'll notice a navigation drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select Pages. Here, you'll find a list of all pages you've created for your store. Go ahead and click on the page for which you would like to assign a new template. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the editor screen. You will see a section that may either be titled Theme Settings or something similar. Within this area, there is an option for Templates. Click the Templates drop-down menu, and this will reveal the available templates you can apply to the page you've selected. Take your time to scroll through the list, and find the template that best suits your needs or one that you'd like to try out on this particular page. Once you've decided on the perfect template, simply click to select it. You'll note that your page will reload with the new template applied, allowing you to see exactly how it's going to appear to your customers. It may take a few moments for everything to transition smoothly, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantaneously. After you're satisfied with the changes, be sure to click the Save button. It's typically found on the top right corner of the theme editor. This will ensure that all your adjustments are preserved and reflect on your live site. Remember, your changes won't go live until you hit that save, so it's crucial not to skip this step. And there you have it. You have successfully assigned a template to a page on Shopify, enhancing its visual appeal and functionality. Feel free to repeat this process for any other pages where a unique look could benefit your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!